In today's video, I am going to show you how to solve couldn't load image tap to retry problem on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. Sometimes when you open an old chat on Instagram, then you notice that you are unable to see some of the pictures. So in order to restore these pictures, what you need to do is to open your Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to settings. Now tap on the search option and in the search bar type download your information. Then click on this request a download option. Select the second option that says select types of information. Now select messages and then click on next. Okay, now file containing those images will be sent to your email address. Once you have received the file, all you have to do is to download it. And once you have downloaded it, you will be able to see those photos once again. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.